caramel swirl ice cream inside pumpkin cake. Oh, I love swirls. I love. The cake part goes together like most cake rolls. Sift all your dry ingredients together. And hit it, girls! 2 teaspoons of cinnamonella. A teaspoon of ginger. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Make a meringue out of 3 eggs. It's kind of cool there, huh? Drizzle in 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Fold in your pumpkin and your dry ingredients. I told you we should have taken my route. Your route? That shortcut was about as useful as a chocolate frying pan. At least it doesn't squeal every time you breathe. Well, at least I don't decorate my cockpit like a yard sale exploded. Fold them in real carefully. Reach down to the bottom and fold it over the top. Turn the bolt and do it again. About every 3rd turn, cut down the middle to get anything hiding in there. And be very careful when you smooth it. Bake for 12 minutes. No one is going to notice that tore up corner there. Trust me. The towel helps roll it and cool it into a round shape. Do you think they've noticed yet? Not a chance. They're too busy measuring egos. And another thing, call yourself a space villain. Maybe invest in an actual villain lair instead of a flying junk drawer. Oh, doggone it! Woman, I swear. You can use store-bought ice cream if you want, but you won't get our flavor here. We made this last night to chill overnight because that's the easy way. The unflavored gelatin keeps this from becoming a rock in your freezer. Matter of fact, you can use this as a base if you want to try different flavors. Go for it. Be daring with your imagination. Add your bloomed gelatin and cook this to 150 degrees. Whisk it into 2 cups of heavy cream and put it in the fridge and go to bed. There's bizarre notes on here like turn left at the 2nd singing marshmallow and I don't know, what do you think? So it says here we need to head toward the glowing gummy grove, then cross the soda pop sea before finding the marshmallow maze. By sugar, it also says take a right at the left-looking left turn, and that sign is right here and back there. Which one's real? You can do the same with the caramel. Makes life easier. Medium heat, 3 minutes. 1/4 cup of cream, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Bring it to 225 and cool that overnight too. Life is easy. Eat the cake! I think Flo's map was drawn after one too many cosmic milkshakes. Girl, it's like trying to dance on a roller rink during a zero-gravity disco. Confusing and dangerous. P.S. If you get lost, ask the marshmallows. They tend to sing directions, but beware of their sass. Great, we're relying on sassy marshmallows now. Carefully unroll it and smooth a thinner layer of ice cream near the middle edge. We weren't sure if the caramel would freeze solid in the ice cream and jam up the churner, so we drizzled it on top. If you're using store-bought ice cream, we heard you can leave it on the counter for 15 minutes to get it to the spreading consistency. Freeze this for at least 4 hours. You want it burned. Speaking of sass, Flo said something about a floating walrus with a monocle. Any idea what that means? Nope. No clue, but I'm hoping it's cuter than a disco cactus.
If you're lost and need a clue, we'll sing a little song for you.
Turn right at the jelly tree, then boogie down to the fizzy sea.
Then boogie on down to the fizzy sea. Well, ain't that sweet? Literally. A friend of ours gave us a whole bag of vanilla melts. We have great friends, don't we? We left the recipe for white chocolate ganache in the description with everything else, just in case you want to put that on. You still have to be just as careful with the melts as you are in heating up white chocolate. Try to heat on high, too fast, and the fat split. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh my goodness! Look at that swirl. Order for table 5. No, I said extra sprinkles, not extra tentacles, you cotton picker wig nut. Ha!